Here's how to fix Valorant stuck at checking for updates quickly. Step 1. Close Riot Client completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under Processes, locate Riot Client, Riot Client Services, and Valorant. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures no background processes are preventing the update from completing. Step 2. Restart Riot Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find VGC. Right-click it and select Restart. If it's not running, click Start. Riot Vanguard must run properly for updates to proceed. Step 3. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Sign in if prompted, then attempt to check for updates again. Running as administrator ensures the client has the necessary permissions to complete updates. Step 4. Restart your computer. After performing these steps, Valorant should successfully check for and install updates. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.